just another quick tip on water softeners. A lot of people think that anybody can put them in, and handymen put them in, plumbers put them in, neighbors put them in, but it is important that a licensed water conditioning specialist puts your water softener in. There are regulations, there's codes that must be followed. So it is important to hire someone who is licensed and is trained. 35 years of experience we've had putting these in. We do everything right the first time. Servicing afterwards, you don't want to just call anybody for servicing. They'll show up with a wrench like this to work on it. Maybe they'll think it just needs a tap or two with a big hammer. We carry all the parts on our truck so that we can service anything on our equipment, so that there's no downtime and there's no one saying, oh, we have to wait 3 weeks to order that piece of equipment for you. So the importance of putting it in correctly and maintaining it, and then having someone that you can trust work on it years down the road, is an important factor when you decide who's going to put your water softener in. Thank you.